Hi guys. Today I will give you few stories, five stories of students who have left baby IIM, new IIMs and went to something better after repeating. And also we are hiring, our centers are now opening up dhire dhire. So we are hiring for center managers, for doubt solving faculty, for target setting faculty. So in case you want to work with us, you need to have an IIM call. You need to have an IIM call. If you're repeating, you are the ideal candidate to go for. So please contact the number is given in the description box. Please WhatsApp your details. I don't want your resume. WhatsApp your CAT percentile. WhatsApp how many calls you had. Fine. And my team will contact you. The salary is ranging between 8, 5, 8, 10, 15, 20, depending on which profile you join, whether you want to go for a part-time or a full-time role. And this Monday, we're also launching our new programs. In case you want to join us for the new program or in case you want to attend the demo lecture today 6 to 7 p.m. is a demo lecture. In case you want to attend that, please call the numbers given in the description box or somewhere on the side. Okay, all the best. Hi guys, I can give you many examples of students who have left new IIMs, baby IIMs and waited one more year to convert the main IIMs. Which makes sense, but ये सब सोच के दिमाग में आता है कि why are students waiting, why to drop? यार जब आई एम अमृतसर मिल रहा है तो ले लो ना. There's a joke I normally say कि आई एम अमृतसर also आई एम ए, आई एम अहमदाबाद also ए. तो अगर किसी का अमृतसर हो गया तो चुपचाप बोलने का आई एम फ्रॉम आई एम ए. शादी तक आई एम ए बोलने का. शादी के बाद भी हनीमून से आते हुए बताने का फिर वापस व्हेन वी कमिंग बैक फ्रॉम हनीमून कि आई एम नॉट फ्रॉम आई एम अहमदाबाद, दिस इज आई एम अमृतसर. अब कहाँ जाएगी वो? अब तो हो गया हनीमून, शादी भी हो गई. Okay, jokes apart, obviously I'm Amritsar is a very good college, so I'm just kidding, just joking. So let me give you example of few people. Shweta, she joined IIM Trichy, ज्वाइन किया, वहां पे एक हफ्ता निकाला भी है, छोड़ छाड़ के आ गई. ठीक है, not because the college was bad, because her aspirations were high. Yeah, that's my number one point on my list. When you can do it from the top 10, top 3, top 5 MB colleges from the country, why to compromise? Yeah, why to look at top 20? Yeah, some of us have graduation from a very average college. Fine. Like, for example, I did my engineering from NIT Nagpur, but all my life I had a regret that I'm not from IIT. I'm always ranked number 2. Fine. So that's where that thing come into mind. Can I aspire to be in the top 10, top 5. I have to be the top 5. यार जब मर्सिडीज चलाने का जो मजा है वो मारुति में कैसे आएगा, काइंड ऑफ थिंग. Another example if of Anoop. Anoop was working was converting new IIMs दो बार, एक बार तो इंटरव्यू देने गया ही नहीं. ठीक है, तो न्यू IIMs कन्वर्ट किया लेकिन नहीं जाना. टारगेट इज मेन IIM. अगर हिम्मत है तो रुको. Second point on my list is if that guy have the energy to wait for one more year, what is our problem? Why are we stopping him or her? Yeah. So if somebody want to wait for somebody, if anybody asks me, should I take this call or repeat? The first question I ask him के हिम्मत है, अगर तो है तो रुको, नहीं है तो ले लो. Okay, simple example. There are other reasons as well. For example, number 3 point on my list is age. Some of you are touching 23, 24. They don't want to wait for one more year. कि नहीं सर, उम्र बहुत होगी, मैं 25 साल का होने वाला हूँ, कब मेरी 25, कब मेरी शादी होगी, कब मेरे बच्चे होंगे, तो नहीं, आई कांट वेट, आई कांट वेट. तो ले लो भाई, फिर तो ले लो. Of course, then you have to take what are you getting. All right. So all these reasons combined together, I think that's why we hire students as well. So I want 3, 4, 5 students, in fact, who have left baby IIMs and want to go for new IIMs. I want them to work with me. In case you want to work with me, just WhatsApp your details with call you convert, and you can work part time, you can work full time for 4 hours every day, 8 hours every day. So just WhatsApp on the number given in the description box and we will talk to you. Okay. So we're looking for 3, 4 people at the doubt solving faculty. Now the centers are opening up. So we will need the center managers as well. So you can work with us in case you want. So we'll be hiring 4, 5 students. Okay. So just WhatsApp the number. Okay. You should have got IIM calls and rejecting them. Want to try next year. Most welcome. Okay. Next point on my list is if you're working. See, those who have taken the gap year, for them most of them like a do or die, ठीक है, which is understandable as well, कि आपको do or die है, आपको जाना ही जाना है. But some of you are not working. So if you are working, for example, I interviewed a guy who worked in Pepsi. ठीक है, तो वो सॉरी पेप्सी नहीं, कौन सी कंपनी में काम करता है यार, आई एम बैंगलोर का इंटरव्यू है उसका. सो ही कन्वर्टेड न्यू आईएम्स, again tried converting a third attempt, he finally converted the main IIMS. He's right now in IMB. I've taken the interview as well earlier, so please check out the interview as well on my channel. So ठीक है, next example on this list is of GK. तो गौरव, तो GK again converted new IIMs last year, नहीं लिया, एक साल वेट किया. ओके नहीं, जब रुक सकते तो रुको. ये लोग कहाँ पहुंचे मैं आपको एंड में आके बताऊंगा. ठीक है, अमित हाथरक अनदर एग्जांपल. अमित हाथरक तो इंटरव्यू देने गया ही नहीं, न्यू आईएम का बेबी आईएम का, तो जाना ही नहीं है. अरे बाबा जाके तो इंटरव्यू तो दे के आओ, व्हाट इज हार्म इन दैट. मत ज्वाइन करना, बाद में लात मार देंगे अपना, हाँ वी वांट टू ट्राई फॉर अ गुड कॉलेज. नहीं सर, जाना ही नहीं. ओके सो अगर तो आप में हिम्मत है, अगर तो एज आपके साथ है, इफ यू थिंक, लास्ट पॉइंट ऑफ माय लिस्ट, इफ यू थिंक यू कैन डू बेटर, फाइन. सी वर्स्ट केस अगले साल भी यही स्कोर आया या इससे भी थोड़ा कम आया, दिस कॉलेज यू आर गोइंग टू गेट, यू आर एनीवे गोइंग टू गेट द न्यू आईएम्स एंड बेबी आईएम्स. फाइन, एटलीस्ट कॉल तो आएगा, स्पेशली फ्रॉम द रिजर्व कैटेगरी. इफ यू जस्ट क्लियर द कट ऑफ, कॉल तो पक्का आएगा. कन्वर्ट करने के लिए हो जाएगा, नेक्स्ट से भी हो जाएगा, ये तो मिलना ही है. लेट्स ट्राई टू डू बेटर इफ यू कैन डू. ओके सो आई नॉर्मली गिव दैट एग्जांपल कि यार तुमने टिंडर पे गए, टिंडर पे जो फर्स्ट प्रोफाइल मिला तुमने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया उसको, देन यू रियलाइज कि नहीं यार आगे जाके एक बार देखना चाहिए था, शायद अच्छा प्रोफाइल मिल जाता. फाइन, दैट इज इफ यू ज्वाइन एनी कॉलेज इन द फर्स्ट अटेम्प्ट. नेक्स्ट ईयर आफ्टर यू गेट सेम कॉलेज, इज लाइक मैंने पूरा टेंडर प्रोफाइल छान मारे, मुझे इससे बेटर नहीं मिलने वाला, तो दिस इज अपनी औकात में यही है काइंड ऑफ थिंग. नाउ आई जॉइन दिस कॉलेज एंड ट्राई टू डू बेटर. Okay. Now, last point on my list is the salary factor. In a baby IIMs, average salary is ranging between 12 to 16 lakh. ठीक है, कहीं 12, किसी को 13 मिलेगा, 15, 16. In the main IIM, average is ranging between 20 to 30 lakhs. See the 1.5 time more salary. The 1.5 to double. If I can get more salary, why to compromise? All right. So if you have that himmat, तो रुको. नहीं हिम्मत तो ले लो, simple. Fine. So this is the answer for, like, a lot of people on core and say, Dekha, that guy have left I am Ranchi because I am Ranchi was bekar. Arey, I am Ranchi is good. His aspirations were more. Are you getting me? Maruti is a very good car. Some people aspire to be driving Honda. Some people aspire to drive Mercedes. Let it be their choice, na. Don't blame Mercedes for that or Honda City for that. कि नहीं से Honda City छोड़ के ही went to Mercedes, मतलब Honda बेकार है. अरे ये क्या फंडा हुआ यार. Okay, so every college is good in its own way. आप अपनी बात करो, which college you are getting. Aspire तो बहुत कुछ करते हैं हम लोग, ठीक है. एस्पायर तो हमारा भाई रात को मियाँ खलीफा के बारे में भी करता है, ठीक है. मिलेगी क्या? ओके चलेगा. ऑल द बेस्ट. तो where these guys went to, Shweta have converted I am Ahmedabad, leaving I am Trichy, went to I am Ahmedabad. Anup left new I am baby I am, is going to I am Lucknow. GK going to I am Indore, and Amit Dhatra converted JBIMS. So all of them have left. I'm sure there might be many more examples who could not do better, have joined the same college or even went to the worst college. But try करना तो बनता है यार. Right. All the best.